Good morning. Today's class we will solve some problems. The problems which come in our daily life. Okay. In this chapter, the fish tale, we will solve some basic word problem. Clear? So what we'll solve today? We will solve word problem based on speed, distance and time. This thing already you have learned in previous classes. So today's class we will solve some word problem. Okay. So in this class we will solve some word problem, and as you already was that this is based on speed, distance and time. So our questions will be based on this table. Okay, here you can see different types of boat, catch of fish in one trip, and speed of the boat, how far it goes in 1 hour. It is already telling the definition of speed. Speed means how far it goes in per hour in 1 hour. For example, first one is log boat. It can catch 20 kilogram fish in one trip. Correct? It can catch 20 kilogram fish in one trip, and its speed is 4 kilometer. What is its meaning? If its meaning is that this log boat can go 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Okay, and like that, long tail boat, its speed is 12 kilometer per hour. Motor boat's speed is 20 kilometer per hour, and machine boat speed is 22 kilometer per hour. Look at these two, compare these two boat, motor boat and machine boat. The speed is not much different. Okay, there is not much difference between speed, but their catching power, fish catching power is difference in many. Okay, where motor boat can catch only 800 kilogram fish in one trip, their machine boat can catch 6000 kg in one trip. Okay, so let's solve some question based on this. First question is, how far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? Okay, the question is, how far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? So what is the normal speed of a motor boat? We can write solve, or also we can write answers. Okay, so let's go some behind. Look at here, what is the which type of boat? Yes, it is for motor boat, and its speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Correct? Its speed is 20 kilometer per hour. First we will write the speed. Let's write speed of motor boat. What is the speed of motor boat? Yes, 20 kilometer per hour. It is the speed of motor boat. And our question is, how far? Look at the question. How far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? So as from questions, from its speed, we think that motor boat can go 20 kilometer in 1 hour. So motor boat go in 3 hours. Okay, how much far motor boat go in 3 hours? Yes, as here written, its speed is 20 kilometer. It means it will go 20 kilometer in 1 hour. So it will go 20 into 3, that will be 60 kilometer. So this motor boat can go 60 kilometer in 3 hours. But here we have to calculate the distance for 3 hours, for 3.5 hours. Okay, so in other half hour, so it can go in half hour. As in 1 hour it go 20 kilometer, so in half hour it can go 10 kilometer. It can go 10 kilometer. So our answer will be, so motorboat go in 3.5 hour. That will be in 3 hours it will go 60 kilometer, and other half it can go 10 kilometer. So it will be total 70 kilometer. So that motorboat can go 70 kilometer in 3.5 hours. Correct? Okay. Let's see the other question. Question 2. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? This is the question for same, for that motorboat. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? Okay. Next, solve this question. Again it is saying for motorboat. So our first line will be motorboat speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Means this motorboat can go 20 kilometer in 1 hour. So here we have to calculate the time to go this 85 kilometer. So divide this 85 into 20. So 85 will be 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5. Correct? 85 equal to 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5. Total this is 85. So for every 20 kilometer it will take 1 hour. For again 20 it will again take 1 hour. For this 20 1 hour. For this 20 1 hour. And for 5 kilometer what will be? So as we can say 5 by 20, that is the 1 by 4 hour. 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer means, yes, 5 kilometer is here. 5 kilometer is 1 by 4 of 20 kilometer. So 1 by 4 of 20 kilometer. So time will be taken 1 by 4, 1/4. Correct? 5 kilometer is 1 by 4 of 20. Correct? 5 kilometer is 1 by 4 of 20 kilometer. So time will be taken 1 by 4 time. Or we can say 1 by 4 hour. Correct? 1 by 4. So time will be taken 1 by 4 hour. That means what will be 1 by 4 of 1 hour? 1 by 4 into 60 equal to 15 minutes. So 1 by 4 hour equal to 15 minutes. So let's solve this question. Okay, let's solve this question. First, as usual, we will write for 20 kilometer motorboat will take 1 hour. For 20 kilometer motorboat will take 1 hour. So first we calculate the time for 80 kilometer. For 80 kilometer, how much time motorboat will take? Motorboat will take. How much time it will take? So 80 divided by 20, and that will be 4 hours. So if this motorboat speed is 20 kilometer, it will take 4 hours. It will take 4 hours to complete 80 kilometer. Now for 5 kilometer, for 5 kilometer, how much time this motorboat will take? So motorboat will take, that will be 5 by 20, or we can say 1 by 4 hour, or 1 by 4 hour means 15 minutes. Okay. For 20 kilometer, this motorboat will take 1 hour. Correct? So to go 80 kilometer, motorboat will take 80 by 20. हमने क्या किया? 80 को 20 से डिवाइड किया तो कितना आया? 4 hours. एंड अगेन फॉर 5 किलोमीटर, नेक्स्ट 5 किलोमीटर के लिए मोटर बोट विल टेक 5 by 20. जैसे यहाँ 80 किलोमीटर के लिए हमने टाइम निकाला तो 80 को 20 से डिवाइड किया. अब 5 किलोमीटर के लिए निकालना है तो 5 by 20 किए. ये कितना होगा? 1 by 4 आवर या फिर 15 मिनट्स. सो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? मोटर बोट will take 4 hours 15 minutes to go how much distance? 85 kilometer. Correct? So it is the answer. You can note down in this way. Correct? Now let's take the next question. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? Now before this we are talking about motor boat. Now this time this is long tail boat. It has to travel 60 kilometer. So we have to calculate how much time will it take. Again, as we solve the this question, we will solve this again. Okay, so in 1 hour, or we can say how we have solved the previous question, we will solve in that way this question also. For 12 kilometer. Okay, for 12 kilometer long tail boat take how much time? 1 hour. Okay, for long tail boat, as from the table you can find the speed of long tail boat is 12 kilometer per hour. So this boat will go 12 kilometer in 1 hour. So we have to calculate the time for 60 kilometer. So here we can write, so for 60 kilometer long tail boat take how much time? As previously we have solved, we will divide 60 by 12 and our answer will be 5 hours. Okay, so long tail boat will take 5 hours to complete this 60 kilometer. There is one another way, as we have some formula. Okay, you can note down this formula. First formula is about speed. Speed formula is speed equal to distance divided by time taken. Okay, means if for any vehicle you have given its a distance which covered by that vehicle and time taken by that vehicle, so we can find out the speed of that ones. Okay, second formula here is, if we have to calculate distance, if we have to distance, and distance formula is speed into time. Okay, and here third formula for time calculation which we are doing in this questions. So time formula is distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed means, look at here in this question, you can see what is the distance, 60 km, and speed of long boat is 12 km per hour. So here if we put this figure into this time formula, we will find 5 hours. Means here distance is 60 km and speed is 12 km. So if we divide this one, we will get 5 hours. Okay, so in this way we can also solve the question. First you have to write these three formulas. Write these three formula in your copy. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now next question, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? About how far, what we have to calculate here? Far means we have to calculate distance in this questions, and as we know, what is the formula of distance? Distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, so to calculate distance we have to require speed of this motor boat and time taken by this motor boat. So as you know, distance, as from table you can get the speed of this motor boat, and its speed is 20 km per hour. And what is the time that asking by this question? Yes, we have to calculate the distance for 6 hours. We have to calculate the distance for this 6 hours. So here time is 6 hours. 20 into 6. 26 are, yes, 120 kilometer. So this motor boat will go 120 kilometer in 6 hours. So in this way you can solve other questions also. Try to solve that questions. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.